In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fusion 360 DXF import errors step by step so you can finally get your files working without frustration. If you've ever tried importing a DXF into Fusion 360 and nothing shows up, or you get weird broken geometry, this guide will walk you through exactly what's going wrong and how to fix it fast. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Fusion 360 tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's quickly understand why this error happens in the first place. One of the most common causes is unsupported geometry. DXF files can sometimes include splines, 3D objects, or very complex curves that Fusion 360 simply doesn't handle well when importing into a sketch. Another big issue is messy sketch data. This includes duplicate lines, overlapping geometry, or open loops that aren't properly connected. Fusion relies on clean, closed profiles, so even small issues can break the import. Next, the DXF file version matters more than most people think. If your file was saved in a newer DXF format, Fusion 360 may struggle to read it properly. And finally, scale and unit mismatches can cause your geometry to appear missing, extremely tiny, or way too large. So if your file seems invisible, it might just be in the wrong scale. Now let's fix all of this step by step. The first thing you should do is open your DXF file in another CAD program, like AutoCAD, LibreCAD, or even an online DXF editor. Then re-save the file as an older version, ideally AutoCAD 2013 or earlier. This alone fixes a huge percentage of import issues. Next, simplify your geometry. If your design uses splines, convert them into polylines before exporting. Splines are often the biggest reason DXF imports fail or come in distorted. Keeping your geometry simple makes Fusion much happier. After that, clean up your file. Remove duplicate lines, delete unnecessary elements, and make sure all your shapes are fully closed. Open loops can cause profiles to not register correctly in Fusion 360, which leads to sketch problems later. Now here's a step many people miss. Instead of importing the DXF directly, go into Fusion 360, create a new sketch on your desired plane, and then use the Insert DXF option. This ensures the file is placed correctly inside a sketch environment where you can edit it. Finally, always double check your units and scale. Make sure your DXF file uses the same units as your Fusion 360 project, whether that's millimeters or inches. If needed, scale the geometry after importing so it matches your design requirements. Quick tip before we wrap up: most DXF import errors happen because the file is too complex or not properly cleaned before importing. So if something isn't working, simplify and clean your file first. And that's it. You now know exactly how to fix Fusion 360 DXF imports errors step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.